Hey guys, it's me, Zoe Morton, and I'm here with my mom.
Melissa Morton.
My mom, of course. So today we're going to be opening up this confetti pop doll. So let's get started.
Okay.
Let's start opening up the first layer of surprise. First is our secret message, Mom. Now
You're a lot faster than I am.
I really love these things.
I love the confetti
Pump
all over
iron.
the house.
Pumping iron. Look at that.
Still can't get mine open. Can you tell I'm not 8 years old?
Okay.
Cherry bomb.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh.
And I lost
Pink ball.
my
Mine's
place.
pink.
There we go. Still going through layer 1.
Really?
Layer 1.
Oh wow, Mom, you're so slow.
It's the excitement of going slow.
She never has opened up one before.
I think I have once.
No. Here's the little secret messages. Should I wait for you?
No, you'll be turning 10 to wait for me. There's the second layer.
That's the water surprise.
I have this little
Water
thing there.
surprise. Water surprise, Mom.
Okay, it's a water surprise apparently. Alright, so I think I'm getting closer to opening this.
Okay, so.
They should dedicate a YouTube channel for moms trying to open up kids' LOL dolls. See how frustrated every single mom is.
I like how when I tried to open up the ball, it just flew right out.
Okay, so now I got all the yellow stuff off.
You gotta take the sticker off, Mom.
And then I gotta take the sticker off here. There's another bomb.
I didn't get
Sorry,
mine.
runaway ball.
Mine's a little stuck.
Now it says, spin me, spin me, spin me.
Let me open up this pie.
So, spin it like this. As you can see, spin the ball.
I can't open it. You got a can opener?
Come on.
Open it.
Here, give it to me.
Thank you.
You don't need a can opener.
Ooh, look at this outfit.
Okay, so she's got a little outfit with hers.
That's cute. That's a really cute outfit.
Okay.
Outfit.
Now.
Outfit. Always British. Outfit, I think. How you say it.
Okay, I'm at a loss right now because I'm looking at this thing. It looks like
Look, take off your sticker.
the thing from Hellraiser.
That's what's on it. Now you take off this.
Wait, don't let me get me. Alright, so take off these little dolls here. They were from Philly, so we say dolls.
I don't know what John's is.
A doll is everything, yeah. Doll.
Ooh, look at this bottle.
So this came with a bottle, a little bottle.
It's a golden black one. That's cute bottles. Cute bottle.
Okay, and then what? Do I keep turning it and flipping these things off?
Yeah, whatever you like to do. So next we got kind of shoes.
Okay, so then I got.
Ooh, I got some short little cute golden shoes.
Cute little outfit.
I think I know what you got.
You can see it.
Wait, guys. So I got a right shoe, and then I got another right shoe.
So
I got two right shoes.
it's like.
Oh, right shoe. I thought you said right shoe.
These are like Daisy Dukes. I have Daisy Dukes for the
Okay,
little.
well,
Why do you have two right shoes?
We're making a video. Can you stop talking, please?
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Jim. You're interrupting the big moment of this
The
video.
reveal.
The reveal.
Big reveal.
I
my
really
God.
don't know who I got, but whoever it does, I think it's going to have a messed up like this way.
We're going to.
Oh, I got his first Pinky. Look at the cute little Pinky.
This is something memory.
Oh, and here are the two golden shoes that I got. I
We
really
also,
think
if we open these up and we found money. So
Yeah.
I found legs.
those are shoes.
Oh. Tell me that doesn't look like a leg. Look at it. You can't see it because my fat finger's in the way, but it looks like a leg.
Confetti!
And a headband.
No, the pants came
It's
off.
a headband.
Yeah, it's a headband. I think it's shoes.
Now the big reveal. With the doll.
Just spin
Oh no, wait,
it.
there's more stuff.
Boom. It didn't come
Such
with the
a waste of
checklist.
plastic. Seriously,
Never
though.
mind, it did. Let's see who we
Destroying the environment with this crap. Alright, so, let's see.
Okay.
There's another
We
little
got-
pouch here.
What's this name, Mommy? The one right here.
Touchdown.
We got touchdown. Right. Oh, I'm gonna have to do touchdown. It's right here, guys. Then I can't jump. Touchdown.
Okay, and I got like Elton John's glasses here. Get back, okay. Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh, it hurts.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're gonna pull this stringy thingy here.
Stringy thingy.
And all this confetti is just gonna fly all over my house, and then I'm gonna get mad and I'm gonna yell at her later.
No,
To clean it up.
No, you're gonna yell at yourself because you're the one who made the mess.
Well, I'm trying to show the parents how like terrible this is.
Yeah, Mom, I got 2 right too.
So the big reveal, what did you pay the big money for? This little creepy doll with big eyes and a booty.
Where's her binky?
Oh, she's cute. What's her name?
Let me go get you my checklist.
Wait, is this her?
She is
Riptide? She doesn't have clothes
no,
on.
no, it's not Riptide. She is Foxy.
Foxy Sugar Mama. Look at her butt. Look at her booty. She's twerking. She gets work.
What?
She gets work, see? Twerking girl.
Oh my gosh,
Twerking.
Wait, look at my doll all dressed up.
So now I'm going to put the clothes on
She got a bunch
this little twerker.
We got her little gold bottle, just in case you guys didn't see.
These toys are just not made the way
Okay,
toys
let's
were
see
back
what
in
she
my
can.
day.
Okay, let's see.
And I'm not even
So
that
she
old,
could
but
either
toys
spit
suck nowadays. Suck.
Or
And dude, this girl's got, these shoes look like legs. They don't look
Yeah.
like boots.
just from the
She's
toe
got
of
like
it.
Timberlands on.
Look, if you don't know if it's pure or not, take off the head. If it doesn't have a little tube in it, put it back on. You take out whatever it has on it, fill whatever spot it has, and then there you go. You found that.
Well, they gave her a bow.
And so, Mom, Foxy could either spit or tinkle.
She's a spitter tinkler.
A
Spit tinkler.
A spitter or a tinkler. So right now, what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take the mystery sticker here, the question mark sticker, and you guys might be saying, hey, you didn't put her in water. Well, I don't care, because I already know what she does, so.
You guys probably weren't even saying that at all, because nobody really cares.
Gotta make.
Oh. I ain't gotta do nothing with this Dawn. This Dawn is drinking from a bottle, wearing some Timberlands. She got her hair done right. She got booty for days. And she's supposed to be a doll.
So here's our dolls. Come on, Mom, put your doll up to the camera.
Alright, so that's it.
Get out of it.
This is Zoe Morton.
And this is Melissa
and
Morton.
Melissa Morton, aka Mom.
Wait, Mom.
Juke.
I just noticed this. They both. Wait, if you take it off, they both have the same hairstyle
Yeah.
with different colors.
Funny.
Wait.
Alright, we're out.
Bye.
Thank you for